everyone. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic work in Philippine literature, which is Noli Me Tangere by Jose Rizal. So it's a novel that exposed the abuse of Spanish abuse, colonial rule through the story of Crisostomo Ibarra, who returns to the Philippines after studying in Europe only to discover corruption, injustice, and oppression everywhere. So my initial reaction, nakakagulat how relevant it still feels, even though it was written more than 100 years ago. The issues, corruption, abuse of power, and inequalities are things that we still deal with today. Parang, wait lang, is this really 1800s or 2025? So now let's talk about Noli Me Tangere still speak us today. So in systematic justice, Basilio's family, Sisa, and the poor in the novel suffered under the unjust system that favored the powerful, doesn't that echoes today. Struggles with poverty, corruption, and a justice system that sometimes feels stacked against the marginalized. The next one is abuse of power by authorities. The fairs and colonial officials use religion and fear to control people. Fast forward today, we might not have fairs controlling everywhere, but we do see misinformation, fake news, and even political figures exploiting people trust to stay in power. The next one is identity and national awakening. Ibarra's dream of reforming and education as a tool for a change. This resonates in the 21st century where young Filipinos are fighting for better governments, climate actions, gender equalities, and social justice. It's a reminder that progress starts with awareness and courage. So one of the Rizal's strongest literary techniques in Noli is symbolism. Take Sisa, for example. Her tragic character represents the oppressed Filipino mother, abused and silenced by both family and society. The fair symbolize blind authority, while Ibarra represents reformist hope. By using characters as symbols, Rizal makes the novel timeless. Hindi lang siya kwento ng isang pamilya, it's a story of a Filipino nation itself, and that symbols is why it continues to hit us hard even now. So, should we read Noli Me Tangere in 2025? Absolutely, yes. If you want to understand why Filipino continue to fight for justice and reform, this novel is essential. It's not just history, it's just a wake-up call that applies to us today. Read it, question it, and let it rewind that the change starts when we dare to see the truth, just like Rizal did over a century ago. That's all. Thank you. And I hope you guys enjoy my video.